Running your own fashion brand is such a fulfilling journey. Without having any experience in the fashion or in business, you can run your own fashion brand from the comfort of your home and earn lakhs every single month. Hi, I'm Harvi Shah, founder of Bling Bag, an online jewelry brand and a fashion business coach. 8 years back, without having any experience in fashion or in business, I quit my high-paying IT job and started my own brand Bling Bag in the 8th month of my pregnancy. Yes, you heard it correct. 8th month of my pregnancy, when everybody in my family, they were against my decision, I went strong and I launched my brand. And over years, I have generated over 12 crores in revenue running my own brand, and it has been such an amazing journey. My life completely changed. And when life changed for me, I started teaching more and more women on how to start and scale their own fashion brands. I've trained more than 40,000 women on a very amazing, powerful signature 7-step system on how to start their brand and grow it to the next level. More than 3,200 women in my community Fashionpreneur Club, they are launching and scaling their own fashion brands. So I know a little bit about what are the mistakes to avoid, what are the right steps you should follow in order to start your own fashion brand. And today in this video, I'm going to give you my signature 7-step system so that you don't make the mistakes that I made, that thousands of other women were making in starting and scaling their fashion brands. So if you are interested, if you are really passionate about fashion and you want to start earning a lot of money using your passion for fashion, then start taking notes, because I'm going to give you the 7-step system that I use to build Bling Bag and thousands of other women in my community are using to build their own fashion brands from the comfort of their home. Step number 1, for you to succeed in launching and scaling your fashion brand, the first step is find out your purpose. Find out your why. Why do you want to start your business? See, a lot of people say, I want to start my brand because I want to earn a lot of money, have a better lifestyle. Great. That's what all of us we want, correct? Why do you want to start your own brand? What's the emotional connect? I feel we women are so busy in our own lives. If we don't have a strong emotional connect on why we want to start our business, soon we will give up. So find out what's the real reason for you to start your fashion brand. Step number 2, find out the product you want to sell. Most women make this mistake of selling multiple products when they start their business. You would have seen so many Instagram pages selling jewelry as well as kurtis, saris, some home decor items. Don't make that mistake. Instead, go narrow and find one narrow segment in which you want to create your big business empire. So step number 2 is find out the right product which you want to sell in your fashion brand. Step number 3, find out your ideal customer. Most women, they feel everybody around them are their customers. You would have seen randomly you getting links from unknown people saying, check out my Instagram page. Suddenly somebody spamming you with lot of photos of kurtis and you are like, who are you? I don't even know you. I don't even like the kurtis that you're selling. Ever been through that? If yes, comment below what has been your experience on somebody spamming you with their fashion products. Each customer, they have their own fashion choices. So it's important for you to find out who are the real customers who will value the products that you are selling. So step number 3 is find out your ideal customers. Step number 4 is so important if you want to eliminate competition in running your fashion brand. See, of course, there are so many fashion businesses coming up, and me being a fashion business coach, I am ensuring that every woman starts her own fashion brand, because I truly believe that every woman is born with a God gift in one or the other area in the fashion space. So step 4 is you positioning your brand very uniquely in the crowded competitive marketplace. Lot of people, they come and ask me this question, Harvi, what should I sell which is unique? And I always tell them, unique business, unique brand is not created by unique business idea or by unique products that you sell. Unique fashion brand is created through unique positioning unique identity that you build of your brand. So make sure you are setting up your brand in such a way that you stand unique in the competitive marketplace. Ready for step number 5? One of the most important steps. Step 5 is your selling platform. Now, major mistake that most women make when they start their fashion brands, I've seen, is they only sell through Instagram and through Facebook and WhatsApp chats. Come on, how many people will you be able to chat with if you are manually chatting and selling your products? If you want to build a long-term, big, profitable business empire, start selling on your own website. When I teach my community members through my advanced level courses on how to build your website, they are able to build their websites by themselves in less than 7 days. So if your mind is telling you, oh, I'm not technically sound, oh, I'm not an IT engineer, you don't have to be. There are so many easy ways of setting up your website, and you save so much of time and money by not relying upon somebody else, by learning it by yourself and starting your own website and starting to sell your products there. So don't make that mistake of chatting and selling your products. Yes, you will sell maybe 1 or 2 products every day, but if you are looking at making lakhs and crores over months and years, you need a 24/7 automated sales machine, which is your website. Of course, I go deeper in all these steps in my 2 hours of webinar. So if you are liking it, if you are interested in learning more, I will put up a link in the description below. Go there, register for my 2 hours of free masterclass so that you can learn the concept in depth and then implement it in a better way. Step number 6 is marketing your fashion brand. You need an amazing magnetic marketing strategy so that the right customers are pulled towards your fashion brand and they notice you, they like your products, and they eventually trust you and buy from you. Most people wait for their customers to get a dream that they have started their business. It's your responsibility to market your fashion brand in the right way so that people notice you and you start selling. So have an amazing magnetic marketing strategy so that you can start reaching out to the potential people who will value your products and buy from you. Step number 7 can make or break your bank balance while you are running your fashion brand, and that is pricing of your products. Most women underplay the pricing at which they are selling their fashion products. What generally we do is we do a gut-based pricing. I got it for 400 rupees, I will sell it for 600, 650 so that it's affordable to customers and I also make profit. You do not make profit through gut-based pricing. There are so many other components which are important for you to consider when you are pricing your products. Without pricing your products in a right way, you are running into losses over time which you don't realize. And at the end, you are running a brand which is into losses, which becomes a charity brand, and you are not making any money as a business owner. If that's what is going to happen, what's the whole point in even starting your fashion brand? So remember, step number 7 is to price your fashion products with confidence so that you make the money that you deserve by running this entire fashion brand. If you have liked all the 7 steps and you want to go deeper in these, then definitely click on the link in the description and register for my free masterclass so that I can spend more time with you and take you through each and every step in depth by giving you a lot of examples, by giving you a lot of strategies and mistakes to avoid in each of these steps. Listen, starting a fashion business might look very easy. Go to the market, get the products you like, put it up on the website and start selling. But starting and scaling a profitable fashion brand is what is difficult. And that's where you need the right business strategies so that it becomes easy for you to implement and see the desired results. So if you are interested, I'm sure we should spend more time with each other. Click on the link in the description below and register for the masterclass, and I will see you next there. Listen, you already are a born entrepreneur, and I believe with the right kind of guidance and hand-holding, you can become an amazing business owner running your fashion brand. Next year, around the same time, let's see amazing revenues in lakhs that you are able to generate through your fashion brand. All you need is the right steps, right guidance, and I am here to serve you in my masterclass. See you soon. Until we meet next, bye bye. Take care.